Let's start up with laptop level 2 at session 1 with the different type of latest laptop motherboard architecture. This is laptop motherboard chip level service training division. Now we are going to see about the laptop motherboard chip level training. Before going to laptop motherboard training, let us see about the architectural block diagram of laptop motherboard. Now here we are seeing is the Dell Inspiron 1330 laptop. Here the first block is Intel Mobile CPU, that is Central Processing Unit block, and the below block was Crystalline GM. It was the block of Northbridge chipset, and this is Intel ICHS-8, which represents the Southbridge chipset. First of all, chipset means collection of chips. In the motherboard, we are calling chipset as ball ICs. In this chipset, there are two types. First one is Northbridge chipset and another one is Southbridge chipset. Compulsory, all the motherboard has the chipset, and we know that processor is the brain of laptop as well as computer, but the chipset is the heart of motherboard. In the laptop motherboard, every signal, that is audio signal, video signal, has traveled along this north bridge and south bridge. That's why we are calling it as bridge. A bridge is an communication path. These two images is standard architecture for all the laptop motherboard. For example, Acer, Dell, Apple, Lenovo, Toshiba, Samsung and Sony. All laptop is working in same process. All branded laptop has same architectural structure, but the configure may differ. Configure means in this Dell laptop motherboard architectural structure we are using P4 pinless processor. Also the RAM here are using is DDR2. It may differ for different configure types. They may use DDR1, DDR2, DDR3 and the processor is also differ. P4 pin type processor, pinless processor, Core 2 Duo, Dual Core, Core 2 Quad. Now at latest we are using i3, i5 and higher end processor i7. i3, i5 has different socket as well as P4 and dual core socket. We cannot use P4 socket for dual core and dual core for P4 socket. All sockets has support for specific processor. Always the processor and RAM configuration may differ. And here we are seeing is Intel Mobile CPU FSB. It ranges is up to 667 to 880 MHz. FSB, which indicates Friendster bus. It mentioned as bus speed. Otherwise it is called as host bus. It changes according to the motherboard we are using. Here those bus speed and north bridge is connected by FSB. Below that north bridge and south bridge is connected by DMI, that means direct media interface. Processor and south bridge is not connected directly. Only through this north bridge it has connected. Generally, north bridge has graphic memory chipset, that is GM. All graphical output display of laptop is coming from this chipset only. North bridge is otherwise called as integrated video controller. It has external graphics, CPU interface, DDR memory interface. And we have seen in the right side DDR2 sodium socket. It means small outline dual inning memory module. It has a speed of 667 MHz. Capacity belongs how many DDR2 we are using. Here we are using two slots. Each slot has 2 GB. So here the capacity of motherboard is 4 GB. In this motherboard Northbridge chipset, we are getting the video graphics output. From the left side we are seeing is CRT, LCD and HTML. The signal traveling from CRT has RGB signal towards the external monitor of Northbridge chipset. LCD monitor is otherwise called as LVDS, that means low voltage differential signal. And this is SDO, it means digital video output. It was connected by a small chip HDMI, that is high direct media interface. It was an advanced technology of geographic output and used in digital monitor, digital TV, LCD projector. These are all the process we have seen in the North Bridge. Expect from this we are going to see about the South Bridge. Here it indicates as ICH8, the 8th version of Input-Output Controller Hub. It was integrated and it was connected by SATA controller ODD, that means optical disk drive. A DVD drive is mentioned here as ODD. Audio codec. A codec means coder decoder sound IC. Headphone amplifier, internal speaker, mic input, BIOS. And this side we are seeing is Bluetooth, USB, Minicard, Wi-Fi, LAN, RJ45. These all are connected through South Bridge only. And see the below block of South Bridge. It is ECSMS chip. It was represented as Super IO chip. The South Bridge is connected via LPC interface and this is SPI flash. IO is connected via touchpad, internal keyboard, fan controller. It is otherwise called as peripheral device controller. Always graphic memory is connected with North Bridge nor South Bridge. The side we are seeing is a power supply section. It is otherwise called as voltage regulator system DC-DC, that means direct current. TPS is a brand name of chip. We see it in the next class. Now we are going to see about the laptop motherboard structure of Toshiba Satellite A100. This block represents processor block PGA. This is North Bridge and the 945 represents the series. 1466 represents the ball contacts. ICH7 represents the 7th version. It is connected in South Bridge. 652 representing the number of balls in contacts. Actually, this is North Bridge and this is South Bridge. The structure will be same, but the RAM, hard disk, capacity, processor socket, bus speed, configuration here using is differ. Here the bus speed is FSB 667 MHz. The North Bridge is connected with DDR2 RAM, Super Video, LCD monitor, CRT, and the North Bridge and South Bridge is connected by DMI, that means direct media interface. South Bridge is connected by peripheral devices like USB, Wi-Fi, audio, Bluetooth, keyboard controller, BIOS, serial port and parallel port. These are all the blocks using in Toshiba laptop motherboard. Next we are saying is laptop motherboard structure of Sony. Mainly there are three blocks. First block is CPU PGA 478 processor block. It is Northbridge and 915 is the series, and ICH 6 is the sixth version of Southbridge. This block is input IO chip, that is keyboard controller. EC is a embedded program controller. Processor and Northbridge is connected via FSB. Here bus speed is up to 553 MHz. Right side it's an clock generator, and the Northbridge Southbridge is connected via direct media interface. DDR2 RAM 400 to 533 MHz is represented, and it was connected through Northbridge. There are 200 pins in the DDR2 RAM. After that NVIDIA chip, it is connected through the left side of Northbridge. NVIDIA is an video controller or graphic processor. Always graphic controller is said to be Northbridge. The NVIDIA graphic processor is controlled by the Northbridge. Here we are getting the output from the NVIDIA through CRT LVDS monitor. If the chip gets failure, output is not displayed on the laptop. There is not horizontal line, neither vertical line is displayed on both the external monitor and internal monitor. So it is called as video chip. Similar peripheral is using in Southbridge also. In this Sony laptop motherboard structure, there is only one difference. That was, we are connecting NVIDIA through the Northbridge to getting an digital video output. Next we are seeing is architectural structure of laptop motherboard Acer Aspire 4300, Intel processor, Northbridge chipset, Southbridge chipset, ENE. It is represented as IO chip. Northbridge chipset is connected by CRT, LCD monitor, HDMI and also DDR-RAM. Southbridge is connected by all the peripherals. So this is RPL latest technique. Processor chipset Northbridge, chipset Southbridge, and this is IO chip. Here also we are using same architecture. Northbridge is connected by DDR-RAM, and in the left side LCD, DVI, etc. This is architectural structure of laptop motherboard HP Comeback. CPU processor block, and this is Northbridge block. It was connected by HDMI, CRT and LCD. ICH 9M, the ninth version of Southbridge chipset. It was connected by USB, SATA, modem, Realtek audio, Minicard PCI, LAN, card reader, web camera, Bluetooth and other peripherals. Laptop to laptop there will be a same structure, but the configure may differ. Here before we have seen about the P4 dual core Core 2 Duo processor supporting. Now we are going to see about the architectural structure of laptop motherboard Dell Inspiron N5010. This is the latest laptop motherboard architecture. The difference in all this laptop motherboard architecture is there will be not using Northbridge chipset. Southbridge chipset is presented as PCH. Here before we used as ICH. This is the major difference in this latest laptop motherboard. is the socket size will be large. It was support for i3, i5 and higher end processor i7. Here before architecture, we use memory controller in the North Bridge, but here we are using in processor. It was represented as DDR and the clock speed is 1033 MHz. DDR has maximum configure of 8 GB. In all the laptop motherboard architecture, there are two slots. Each slot has 4 GB capacity. Graphical output is taken from the South Bridge. Before here, we are not using North Bridge. Instead of North Bridge, we are taking graphical output in the South Bridge. So only here the South Bridge of PCH has connected by LCD and CRT. But the HDMI is inbuilt by the video output AMD. It was controlled by the processor. AMD graphic is discrete only, that is, it has inbuilt or separated from the board. In the above diagram, we are seeing is VRAM, that is video RAM. It has a capacity of 1 GB to 512 MB. DDR memory is called as system memory. Is there? If no graphic memory, we have shared it from the system memory. If there is North Bridge, it has to be said as graphical memory controller. But in the latest motherboard architecture, South Bridge is called as graphic memory controller. In this motherboard, there is no North Bridge. The processor and South Bridge shares the function of North Bridge. Difference between these laptops are North Bridge. Other than it could be a same process. Now in this latest laptop motherboard architecture, AMD is an supporter. This is processor and here also we are not using North Bridge. This is South Bridge. AMD is used rarely because it is different from other architecture. In this processor itself, graphic controller and memory controller is inbuilt. In the right side we are seeing is memory bus latest technique. In the left side we are seeing is the video chip. It was represented as DDR VRAM. LVDS digital monitor is connected via HDMI and CRT. AMD architecture is different from the structure of Intel. In the South Bridge, other peripherals like SATA HDD, SATA ODD, it means optical disk drive, audio codec, USB, mini card, web camera, card reader, LAN Ethernet. This is ENEKB, a keyboard controller. It has connected by touchpad, SPI ROM, that means read-only memory. Internal keyboard, these are all the block representing in AMD laptop motherboard architecture. All the branded laptop like Acer, Sony, HCL, HP, Apple, etc. having same function, but the configure may differ. Motherboard to motherboard, the model, shape, chip location, IC companies name will be differ. For example, the Dell laptop using different brand name. And also for HP, Acer using the same processor. The Dell laptop using different brand name chip. And also for HP Acer using the same process. We see about the chip identification in next class. In this, we have seen about the laptop motherboard architecture of different laptops. The main difference was in i3, i5, i7 latest laptop, there we are not using the Northbridge chipset. This was the front view of Dell laptop. I am point outing here is the Southbridge chipset. It is a battery connector and it is ATI graphic processor. These all are graphic memory. This was on-off button board. This is HDMI connector, audio connector and DDR RAM slot. PGA 989 socket supports for i3, i5 and higher end processor i7. This is CMOS battery. This was battery charging control IC. Here the pin number is mentioned as PU4601 and BQ24745. Same as in the schematic diagram, we are seeing is PU4501 and the IC number is BQ24745. In the right side we are seeing is motherboard architecture and the left side we are seeing is schematic diagram for this motherboard architecture. In this MOSFET we are seeing is MOSFET PU4602. It is said to be a VIN section. This VIN voltage receives adapter voltage from the adapter jack to the MOSFET drain PU4502 MOSFET. Then see in the right side, this is PU4502 MOSFET. And this is motherboard battery connector. It has 9 pins. Now see in this schematic diagram, pin number 1 and 2 is positive, pin number 3, 4 and 5 are functional pins, pin number 3 is system clock, pin number 4 is system data, pin number 5 is battery power input. All these pins are connected in I/O chip. We have seen in the page number 37. Pin number 6, 8 and 9, which is a negative pin. This is first pin of battery connector and this is second pin. This is pin number 9. This is pin number 8, that is said to be negative pin. This is NMOS charging MOSFET. In this section, battery connector is located near 2 N-channel MOSFET, that is N charging MOSFET PU4504 and PU4505. Then look at the schematic diagram. PU4604 and MOSFET PU4605, both N-channel MOSFET are charging control. And this is inductor coil PL4501. It is located near the MOSFET. And this is inductor coil PL4501. It is located near the MOSFET. This is power resistor or battery current sense resistor PR4519. Look at the schematic diagram. This is ICPU4601 and this is 5V 3V regulated power supply IC. In the right side of the circuit we are seeing is PU4601 and the nearby we are seeing is NMOSFET PU4602 and PU4604. And look at the schematic diagram. This is NMOSFET PU4602 and this is NMOSFET PU4604. We are having 2 NMOS and we have another 2 NMOS, that is PU4603 and PU4605. And also compare it with the circuit image. There are 2 NMOS, PU4603 and PU4605. Both are N-channel MOSFETs. These all are 5V 3V regulated power supply section. Next, look at the schematic diagram. This is CPU core power supply IC number PU4701. As same as look at the circuit diagram. This is PU4701 and the IC number is 62883. So this is CPU core power supply chip. In the schematic diagram, this is MOSFET gate drive IC PU4706. And look at the circuit diagram, PU4706 gate driver IC. And the top we are seeing is N-channel MOSFET. See in the schematic diagram, this is MOSFET PU4702 and PU4703. As same as in the circuit image, PU4702, PU4703 and PU4705. Continuing, PU4704, PU4707, PU4708, and also compare it with the circuit diagram and schematic diagram. This is 04, 05, 07 and 08. There are 6 MOSFETs we are seeing in the section. So this is CPU core power supply section. This is CPU VTT regulated power supply chip of IC number PU4901, and also look at the circuit PU4901 and the IC number is TPS51218. This is CPP VTT regulated power IC. In this section, we are using only N-channel MOSFETs. They are PU4903 and PU4905. Now look at the schematic diagram. As same as this is PU4903 and PU4905. This is video power supply IC PU8901. And comparing it with circuit PU8901 and IC number is RT8208. In this section, we are using PU8902 MOSFET and PU8903 MOSFET. And this is DDR3 RAM power supply IC PU5001. And in the circuit, this is RAM power supply chip. In this section, we are using 2 N-channel MOSFET PU5002 and PU5003. As same as look at the circuit diagram, PU5002 and PU5003. This is RAM power supply section and this is inductor PL5001. This is ATI graphic processor and these all are video memory, that is PCH Southbridge chipset. This is thermal and fan control IC. Look at the schematic diagram. The IC number here mentioned as U3901. This is thermal and fan control chip. And in the circuit, this is thermal fan control chip. In the schematic diagram, this is IC number U3701 and a Super I/O controller or embedded microcontroller chip. In this circuit, IC number U3701 and this is audio codec IC U3701 and in the schematic U3001. This is audio codec IC. Next, this is U6201. It's an BIOS chip. And also in the circuit it is mentioned as U6201 ICSST chip. So this is IC-U701 clock generator chip ICs as U701, and nearby there is a crystal oscillator. It has a range of 14.3 MHz. It is mentioned as H701, and in the schematic it is mentioned as H701 as same as the range 14.3 MHz crystal oscillator. And this is power button connector, 4-link power button connector, and also look at the circuit, this is power button connector. Here we are seeing is LCD connector, and it is mentioned as LVDS, that means low voltage differential signal. And also look at the circuit, this is LCD connector. It is located nearby LCD signal drain MOSFET Q54016 lead MOSFET. Look at the schematic, this is LCD power MOSFET Q5401, and in the schematic Q5401, and another one MOSFET is Q5402. As same as look at the schematic Q5402. This Q5401 is a P-channel MOSFET. This Q5402 is dual N-channel MOSFET. And this is internal keyboard connector mentioned as KB in the schematic diagram. That means keyboard controller. Look at the circuit, this is keyboard controller KB. This is 4-pin touchpad connector. In the schematic it is mentioned as touchpad 1 as T-pad 1.